Okay, so special questions on Q syndrome. Now, this is not a special kind of syndrome. ये कोई pandemic type of बीमारी नहीं है. ये Q actually stands for QUE, UE, कतार में खड़े होने वाले questions. We have three beautiful concepts on gap analysis and how these questions are asked related to queue, standing people in a queue, or to be say arranging few people in a queue. So let's take up one by one. Arrange 5 boys and 3 girls in a row queue such that no 2 girls stand together. Whenever we have a situation like this, that few people need to be arranged in a row such that one specific type of people will not be standing together, तब एक सिंपल परमुटेशन कॉन्सेप्ट काम नहीं करेगा. यहां पर we need to bring in gap concept. Now how to do this? 3 girls, restriction is on 3 girls. That means let us arrange our boys first and ask them to stand wherever they want, but in a row. That means in a straight line or in a queue. So 5 boys would be arranging themselves in how many ways? 5p 5 ways. That is factorial 5 ways. Done. First job done. Now 3 girls need to be arranged. यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है, since no 2 girls stand together, the only position left for these girls to be arranged is between these gaps and at the end of the lines. That's why we call it gap analysis. 3 girls would be arranged in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 places. In how many ways? 6p3 ways. So the total number of ways in which 5 boys and 3 girls can be arranged such that no 2 girls stand together are factorial 5 into 6p3. 6p3 is 6 5 30, 30 into 4 120. 120 into 120 14400 ways. 14,400 तरीके से we can arrange 8 people, among which is 5 boys and 3 girls in a row. So whenever you have one character and those are not going to be standing together and you have that particular character more than 2, अगर सिर्फ ये 2 ही लोग होते तो मैं वहां पर नेगेशन कॉन्सेप्ट का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकता था. कैसे करता? अगर सिर्फ 2 लड़कियां होती तो वहां पर हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते थे टोटल केसेस माइनस बोथ गर्ल स्टैंडिंग टुगेदर. दैट वुड हैव बीन एन इजी टास्क. बट यहाँ पर 3 लड़कियां हैं, 3 गर्ल्स आर देयर. दैट मीन्स अभी अगर हम टोटल केसेस निकालकर केसेस को माइनस करने जाएंगे तो वो फिर और कॉम्प्लिकेट हो जाएगा. 2 girls standing together, then which 2 girls are standing together, then 3 girls are standing together, blah blah blah. तो उन सबको कट डाउन करने के लिए is our gap analysis question. I hope this is clear with all of us. Let's take up one more question in this. Trick. They stand alternatively. ये फ्रेज छोड़कर ऐसे भी बोला जा सकता है, arrange 5 boys and 4 girls in a row such that no 2 boys or 2 girls stand together. इन दोनों का मतलब एक ही होता है. No 2 boys or 2 girls stand together, यानी 2 लड़के 2 लड़कियां साथ में नहीं होंगे. सीधी बात, सीधा लॉजिक, they should be standing alternatively. Now look at the number game very seriously. Number of boys are 5, number of girls are 4. ये stand alternatively का केस तब ही बन सकता है तब जब बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स के नंबर्स के बीच का डिफरेंस या तो 1 हो या 0 हो. इस केस में डिफरेंस इज 1. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस केस फर्स्ट. Number of boys are 5, number of girls are 4 and the difference is only 1. That means जो कतार, जो क्यू, जो रो बनेगी that should always start with a boy and they should stand like this. BG, 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 BG and a B. और अगर आप लोग ध्यान दो तो ये हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया. रिलेटिव पोजीशन रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. एंड व्हाट इज द रिलेटिव पोजीशन? द पोजीशनिंग एस्पेक्ट इज BG, 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 B. That means 5 boys can take only these positions in 5p5 ways and 4 girls can take only these positions in 4p4 ways. Factorial 5 into factorial 4, 120 into 24. I hope यहाँ पर आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है रिलेटिव पोजीशन का वो भी पिक्चर की तरह एकदम सामने आ गया होगा और क्लियर हो गया होगा. नाउ आई हैव रेज्ड वन मोर इशू. व्हेन नंबर ऑफ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स डिफरेंस इज 0, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड? And that we will see in our next question. So let's take up one more. Arrange 5 boys and 5 girls in a row such that they stand alternatively. Now, 5 boys, 5 girls. See the number count. Difference is 0. Now tell me, if there are 5 boys and 5 girls, can I ask you a question like this? No 2 girls stand together. आप बोलोगे B, 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 B. ये 5 लोग हैं और फिर जगह रहेगी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. वहां पर हम 5 लोगों को अरेंज कर सकते हैं. Yes, we can ask question like this. So similarly, I can also ask whether no 2 boys stand together. Done. Now, can I ask this question? No 2 boy or 2 girl stand together. Yes, I can ask this. Why? Because this simply means they need to be standing alternatively. और standing alternative के लिए सिर्फ नंबर काउंट में 2 ही केसेस बनते हैं. When n minus m is equals to 0 और n minus m is equals to 1. अगर आपका n minus m greater than 1 हो गया तो no 2 boys and no 2 girls stand together का कॉन्सेप्ट काम ही नहीं कर सकता. Let's see how. If I say you have 5 boys, 3 girls, stand them in alternative fashion. So alternative fashion means no 2 boys or no 2 girls stand together. So अगर उस कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके चलूं, 5 बंदे हैं, जगह कितनी है? 3, 4, 5, 6. इन 6 जगहों पर 3 गर्ल्स नीड टू बी अरेंज. सपोज यहाँ पर 3 गर्ल बैठ गई तो मिलेंगे अपने को केसेस मिलेंगे वेयर बॉयज आर टुगेदर. स्टैंड ऑल्टरनेटिव के केस नहीं बन सकता इफ n minus m is equals to 2 or greater than 2. तो सिर्फ इन दोनों केसेस में ही आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. We stand alternatively. Done. Now in this case, if we see, number of boys and number of girls are same. That means what? In this case, our row can start with a boy and our row can also start with a girl. Then it would be BG, 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 BG. How busy is BG? And GB, 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 GB. 1024 GB. Okay, so that means we can have two different cases. Mind you, we can have two different cases. And each case is giving us what? Factorial 5 into factorial 5 as a result. And I hope this you understood. That is, 5 boys can be arranged among 5 places in factorial 5 ways. 5 girls would be arranging themselves on 5 chairs in 5 different ways. 5 girls would be arranging on 5 places in factorial 5 ways. So we have factorial 5 into factorial 5 and factorial 5 into factorial. Now, between these two is our strong conjunction, that is OR and not AND. So don't multiply these two cases. It is OR. Either your row starts with a boy or your row starts with a girl. So it is an OR. Now one apple and one more apple. Now one apple and one more apple equals to how many apples? 2 apples. So answer would be 2 into factorial 5 into factorial 5. Mind you about an error. I'm writing with ink pen because commonly found error. Don't do this. In spite of the fact that answer is same. It is not the same thing arranging 2 times. It will be only 2 because there are 2 cases. These people are not arranging 2 times. There we have different 2 cases. So mind you, if in a trick MCQ, this is an option and this is an option, always go in for 2 into factorial 5 into factorial 5. I hope this gap analysis and arranging with an old concept of relative position is clear with all of us.